everyone, it's Erin here at Sherwood Park Hyundai. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around this 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. This 4-door all-wheel drive SUV has projection-style headlights and fog lights. Under the hood is an automatic transmission and a 2.4-liter engine. Having a look at the side mirror, you see that it does have signal light indicators. The mirror does fold in nice and easy for you. This SUV comes with a flip key fob. You can lock and unlock your vehicle panic button, as well as it does have an installed aftermarket command start. Having a look at the driver's side door, you see that it does have power windows, locks, and mirrors. There is storage here in the door, as well as down here, and there's a cup holder. The driver's seat is powered. Beautiful dark gray leather seating throughout the interior of this vehicle. Alright, so we are now inside. Let's start up the vehicle. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a 2017. It only has 10,836 kilometers on it, so lots of life left in this SUV. Having a look at the steering wheel, you see that it does have volume control. You're able to flip between different radio stations. You have a mute button, which is nice and handy. We have Bluetooth talk here. These buttons are what controls what you see here on the dash. And this is going to be your cruise control right here. Over here to the left of the steering wheel, we have some buttons. We have drive mode, eco drive, as well as traction control. Blind spot detection. We have a lovely heated leather wrapped steering wheel, and there is also wheel lock. Alright, so having a look here at the entertainment center, we do have a lovely sunglasses holder up here. CD player. We have AM and FM radio on this one. We do also have Sirius XM compatibility. You can call and activate that here with this Santa Fe. So AM, FM radio, media, so Bluetooth, you can hook up your phone, listen to your music. It does come equipped with a handy backup camera for you, which is great. You're able to flip between different tracks on CDs through your power and volume dial here and your tuning dial. As we go down, here is your hazard lights. We do have dual climate control in this SUV, which is great, so the driver and passenger can have different temperatures. This is going to control where the air hits you. These buttons control the temperature, and this dial here controls the speed of the air. Going down here to the just in front of the gear shift, we have two 12-volt outlets, a USB jack, and an auxiliary. It is an automatic transmission. We do have heated leather seats for the driver and the passenger, which is great. And you are able to turn off your parking assistance if you so choose. So we have storage up here. We have two cup holders here. We have some storage in the front here. And then we have the center armrest, removable container. And then inside here we have plenty of room for storage if you require it. Passenger seat. Going up here, we have push interior lights. We have another sunglasses holder for you if you need it. And then we do have a panoramic sunroof. So the cover can be opened by the push of this button, and then it can be opened using this. So it does go all the way to the back of the vehicle. Only half of it will open to the outside. But it's still really nice to have. You can open it up on those hot summer days, or at night if you want to do some stargazing from inside your vehicle. You can also do that as well. Alright, so we are having a look inside the back seat of this Santa Fe. You see that it does have power windows. It does have heated leather seats for your backseat passengers, which is lovely. We do have the vinyl kick plate right here for little feet. We have knee indents for any tall backseat passengers, and then we have a lovely document/map holder. And the same goes for on the back of the passenger seat. We have another 12-volt outlet there, and as you can see, here we have some lovely rubber floor mats that are both in the front and the back. Again, we have the leather seating throughout the interior of this vehicle. We have the lovely raised armrest, as well as the handy cup holders for your backseat passengers, which is great. I do want to point out that there is also a sunshade on both of the backseat windows, which can be really great for any little ones. You want to keep the sun glare out of their eyes. So it just folds down nice and easy right in there. Doesn't block any view of out the window. So I'm going to show you how to put down your back seats so you can utilize the cargo room. You're going to go down here. You see this lever? You're going to pull up on it. So the seatbelt was blocking it a little bit there, but it does fold down nice and easy, 60-40 split. So you can set it up in any configuration that you might need. Alright, coming around to the back of this 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. We're going to reach under here, push on the button, lift up. I put down the other back seats so you can get an idea of the amount of cargo space, and as you can see, lots of cargo space back here. We have a 12-volt outlet there in case you need it. Lots of space, room for everything from camping gear, groceries, strollers. You could probably fit, I don't even know what you couldn't fit in here. So we're going to lift this up. We have some storage under here. Nice compartmentalized, there we go, words. So you can keep everything organized. Reach under here, you see that there is the jack. And then just under here, under the bumper, as you can see there, oh, can you see it? There. There is the spare tire. That's where it's located, just underneath. So you got lots of room in the back seat for passengers or cargo. Alright, so we are just finishing up the vehicle walk around on this 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Beautiful SUV. It's an all-wheel drive, so perfect for any weather. It does have the heated seats, so it keeps you nice and warm. Heated leather-wrapped steering wheel as well. Come on down to Sherwood Park Hyundai, take this for a test drive. If you have any other questions, one of our sales associates will be happy to answer them for you. Come on down, test drive it, check it out.